This is definitely one of the most underrated makeup products. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be doing a makeup tag. This one is created by Ali Glines. It is one of the people on YouTube that I'm watching a lot, and she created the 21 questions makeup edition. I'm going to have a link in the description box so you can find Ali's video. I'm guessing that 21 questions is a game played in the US and that it is very popular. I have never played it. I am Greek, I live in Germany, and I have never been in the US. I don't remember when was the last time that I did a makeup tag, so let me know in the comments if you want to see another makeup tag or makeup challenge. That's also an idea. And I'm tagging everyone that has a YouTube channel, and you can find the questions in the description box below. And let's start with question number 1. What is the oldest makeup product in your collection? And I have actually found it because I couldn't remember which one was. So it is this palette here by Morphe. It is the 35S, and this is also discontinued. I bought it when I was living in Cyprus, and it was one of my favorite palettes to use. It is definitely expired, and now they have so many other colorful palettes. I also had this in my professional makeup kit because it had so many eyeshadows and colors, and I really liked this one. What is your most recent makeup purchase? So it is actually this one here. I was trying to get it for a month, at least a month, because it was viral on TikTok and I couldn't find it anywhere. So this one is the Marshmallow Primer, and it is by NYX. So it came yesterday. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm very curious to see if it has a scent, to be honest. Should I do it now? No, not testing in this video. So I'm going to do a review for this one. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified. What's the first makeup product you ever used? I'm not very sure. I think it was a black eye pencil that was my mother's, and I remember I was also using a lipstick that she had, a dark cherry red lipstick, and I was using that one when nobody was home. Yeah, it was very creamy, and it was always staining my lips. Also, when I was younger, I wasn't using a lot of makeup products, and it wasn't allowed to have makeup at school. Yes, I'm that old. Oops, I have lipstick on my finger. Okay, let's continue. What is a makeup trend that you used to love but now you hate? I think I have a hair on my lips and it is just so annoying. So I think thin brows, it wasn't a trend for me because I have very thin and sparse brows. There was a time that I was just defining them and I wasn't making them fuller, but now I don't like that trend. I think that full brows can make your eye look completely different. And let's go to the other question. What's a makeup trend that you used to hate but now you love? So I used to hate so much fuller brows for some reason. In the beginning, I didn't like them at all. Maybe because I have very thin brows and I thought it was very unnatural, but I don't remember why I started making them fuller, and now I'm not going back. Never again. I like my fuller brows. There are so many products now to give definition and make them look natural, so nope. We're not going back. What is your favorite step in your makeup routine? Definitely my eye look, especially eyeshadows. I'm crazy for eyeshadow palettes. I always want to try something new. And I think the makeup product that I have the biggest amount of is eyeshadow palettes. What is a makeup product that you can't live without? That's a tricky question. I'm not very sure. There are a lot of products that I like repurchasing and using, but it's not just the one product. I think the most essential for me is concealer. So I'm going to say this one is the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline, and also the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer here. I have dark circles, so it's very crucial for me to cover those discolorations. So what was the question? Oh, maybe I should say just concealer. Yeah, concealer. Because even if I don't do my eyes, I think with just concealer I can cover the discolorations on my face, and that's it. So yeah, and I also like this concealer. What sparked your love for makeup? I'm not sure about that, to be honest. but I like being creative and using different makeup products and colors on my eyes especially, or a different lipstick. I don't know, maybe it was YouTube, because at some point I was watching YouTube videos all day long about makeup. What is the worst makeup look that you've ever done? I have definitely made a lot of bad makeup looks, especially before I became a makeup artist. Oh my god, what I was using. I was using shimmery eyeshadows in the crease. Why? I'm pretty sure that if I find any pictures from that time, I was looking ridiculous. However, I have a makeup look on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, and I think it is very bad. It is a video that I have tried some products from the Shop Me Say website, especially my brows in that video. Oh my god, they are terrible. Terrible. And for some reason in that video I also did a wear test with those brows. That was not one of my best moments, for sure. And then we have, what is your favorite makeup look you've ever done? A year ago I did a very beautiful, colorful eye look. I have used the Ciao Venezia palette by Essence. I'm going to have a picture here so you can see the eye look. And I had those beautiful peachy purple eyeshadows on the eyelid, also something green on the lower lash line, and I don't remember what I did on the outer corner, but it looks amazing. And every time that I'm watching that eye look and that video, I'm like, oh, I can do makeup. Good job. What is your favorite Drugstore makeup product? Those concealers that I was talking before. Also, I like a lot the Catrice liquid liner in Dating Joe Black, the Brow Precise Brow Pencil by Maybelline. That's very difficult to answer, you know. I'm trying so many Drugstore products on my channel, and I definitely have some favorites, but I don't know if I have just one favorite. I have a lot. I'm gonna say the Brow Pencil by Maybelline, just because it is so difficult to find good products for my brows. What is your favorite splurge makeup product? As I have said before, I'm trying a lot of Drugstore makeup products on my channel, so I don't have a huge variety of high-end and luxury makeup products, but I got last year this kit here. This one is a trio of lipsticks by Yves Saint Laurent, and these are the Pure Couture lipsticks. I really like the formula. It is very creamy, also long lasting, and they also have a very nice red shade. So I'm going to say these lipsticks. However, I have them in mini. So this is the shade 52. It is a beautiful corally shade. I love it. The first lipstick was in the shade 70, and I have one more. Just a sec to go and get it. Found it. This is in the shade 1, and we have this beautiful red lip color. Amazing. For me, it was definitely a splurge moment, and I like them. Water break. I'm talking a lot. And next, we have the question, what is your most repurchased makeup product? The Catrice liquid liner in Dating Joe Black, the Brow Pencil by Maybelline that I mentioned before, also the two concealers that I mentioned before, the Infallible 24-hour matte that is also discontinued. Why, L'Oreal? Why? The brow mascara by Essence, the brow mascara by ELF, the fixing powder by Art Deco Cosmetics. I used to have it in my videos all the time. Now I have more setting powders in my collection, so I haven't bought that one in a while. What is your earliest makeup memory? So when I was younger, I wasn't allowed to apply makeup on me. However, what I was doing is that I was changing the makeup on my Barbies, and I had a lot of different colors for gel pens. Those were not permanent, so with a cotton ball and a little bit of water I could remove the makeup on my Barbies and then reapply what I wanted. Basically, I was coloring the eyelid and the lipstick, sometimes the hair as well. I'm curious if I can still find my dolls and if they are also colored. I need to ask my mother. What is your favorite place to shop for makeup? So I live in Germany and there is a store called DM. It is a German drugstore, and what I like is that a lot of times they have the latest makeup releases by Maybelline, L'Oreal, Essence, Catrice, BH Cosmetics. You can find a lot of nail polishes in very good price. It is like my safe place in there. I go inside and I don't hear anyone, just angelic voices and music. Also, a lot of times I'm not able to find products in stores, especially now with COVID, and I buy a lot of products on Beauty Bay and Cult Beauty. Sometimes also look fantastic. What is the most underrated makeup product that you own? So this is also a concealer. And this one here is the Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer by BH Cosmetics. No one is talking about this concealer. It is great. It is very buildable, blendable. It has very good coverage. Actually, it is full coverage. It is lightweight on the skin. You can use it on top of any foundation. It's not drying. Also, it's not setting very fast on your eyes. So you have some time to blend it on your skin. You can also find it in a lot of colors. I also have this one in my Drugstore makeup kit that I did 2 years ago. I'm going to have a link in the description box if you want to see a Drugstore makeup kit. This is definitely one of the most underrated makeup products. And the next we have, what is the most overrated makeup product that you own? Okay, so this is the opposite. This one is by Fenty Beauty. It is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I have used it a couple of times with different foundations. It doesn't blur up my pores. It doesn't make my skin look smooth. It doesn't give amazing hydration. At the end of the day, it looks very similar with other drugstore primers that I have tried. And I just don't think it is worth the money. Let me know if you have tried it and if you like it. What is a discontinued makeup product you wish would come back? Okay, so definitely this one here. Also, it is an empty, just so you know. And this one is the Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation by L'Oreal. They have replaced this one with the Infallible 24-Hour Matte Cover. It was the worst decision ever. This one here does something very weird with oxidization. Every time that I'm trying to just build up the coverage on some areas, it looks horrible. It looks very patchy. The color is oxidizing and it's not becoming the same with the first layer. It is weird and I don't like the new formula. I wish they wouldn't change it because this one was great for me. Bring it back! And then we have, where do you go for makeup inspiration? Usually on Pinterest and YouTube. I have also tried on Instagram, but it is so saturated and it's not easy to find new makeup people or makeup products, makeup looks. I think Pinterest is very easy if you want to find something specific. On YouTube there is more engagement. Of course, when I was younger, from magazines, but I don't buy magazines anymore. What do you hope to see less of in makeup's future? So I would like to see less makeup releases because it is just so overwhelming, and I have a YouTube channel. I buy a lot of makeup for reviews and makeup tutorials. However, someone that doesn't have a YouTube channel, I believe it's even more overwhelming for you because you can see so many products, you don't know what to buy, you don't know which products are good for you. It came to a point that I just realized I can't test every product, I can't keep up. So I decided that I'm going to buy the products that I'm more interested in. What do you hope to see more of in makeup's future? So I would like to see more behind the scenes of brands and how they come up with new products. What is the theme of a collection? Also how makeup are made. For some very big brands, we never know who makes the products, who designs, and I would like to learn more about that. I would also like to see more competitions and TV shows about makeup like Glow Up on Netflix, That would be amazing. I really liked that one. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite question of today's video and also answer it. I think mine was the last one, 21, because it made me think. It's rare. So you can find here more of my videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!